We all know the struggle of seeing 1/4 or 1/2 of your information inside a Microsoft Excel box. The same holds true for certain Business Central pages. We as users wanted to see more of the data we needed, and Microsoft heard our cries because in Business Central you can modify columns to suit your needs. Modifying columns in Business Central. So we've all seen the issue where you're looking at information on your page. This happens frequently when you're using Microsoft Excel, but the column is too small for the information that you need. So when you're on a page that has columns, we're going to go to General Ledger Entries. All right, we're going to go to this page, and well, none of these are showing too small, but if they were, all you would really need to do is just click on the column, kind of just like when you're in Microsoft Excel. And that's the beauty of using Business Central. A lot of the features and functionality and the way things look transfer between Microsoft's popular softwares. So you click it, you drag it to the size that you want, and it is now changed.